Good day everyone! In this video, I will analyze the character of Neil Perry from the film Dead Poets Society. I will connect his story to the poetic tradition of Romanticism and the psychological theory of Erik Erikson's identity crisis. This analysis will show how Neil's love for poetry and self-expression shaped his decisions and led to his tragic ending. Romanticism is a poetic tradition that focuses on emotions, freedom, imagination, and individuality. It values following your passion instead of strict rules. Romantic poets believe that people should express their true feelings and not be controlled by society. One example of this is the famous poem I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud by William Wordsworth, which shows deep emotion and connection to personal experience. In the movie, Romanticism is also seen in the idea of carpe diem, which means seize the day. This encourages students to live fully and follow their dreams. Erik Erikson's theory of psychosocial development explains that teenagers go through a stage called identity versus role confusion. In this stage, a person tries to discover who they really are and what they want in life. If they succeed, they develop a strong identity, but if they fail, they may feel confused and controlled by others. Neil Perry is a perfect example of this struggle. He is torn between his own dreams and his father's expectations. Neil Perry represents Romanticism because he is passionate about acting and wants to express himself freely. One important scene is when Neil performs in the play A Midsummer Night's Dream. This shows history, happiness, and identity. However, Neil struggles because his father is very strict and does not allow him to follow his passion. This creates a conflict between Romanticism and reality. While Romanticism encourages freedom, Neil's life is controlled by authority. Psychologically, this shows identity crisis. Neil cannot fully develop his identity because his father forces him into a different path. Another important scene is when his father forbids him from acting again.
You're going to Harvard, and you're going to be a doctor.
It's 10 more years. Father, that's a lifetime!
Stop it! Understand, Neil. You have opportunities that I never even dreamt of, and I am not going to let you
I've
waste
got
them.
to tell you what I feel!
What?
I'm so worried.
What? Tell me what you feel! What is it?
At this point, Neil feels trapped. He cannot balance his true self and his responsibilities. This leads to his tragic decision. His death shows the extreme result of failing to achieve identity and freedom. To my personal reflection, I think Neil Perry's story is something that many students today can relate to. Sometimes, we also feel pressured by our parents or society to follow a path that is not really what we want. Just like Neil, there are moments when we want to express ourselves and follow our dreams, but we feel afraid or controlled. This shows that finding our identity is not easy, especially when other people decide for us. For me, Neil's story is very emotional because it reminds us how important it is to listen to ourselves and not ignore what truly makes us happy. It also teaches us that support and understanding from others, especially family, are very important in shaping who we became. A poem that reflects Romanticism is I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud. This line shows freedom and individuality, which Neil wanted in his life. Like the poem, Neil wanted to follow his own path, but he was unable to fully achieve it. In conclusion, Neil Perry's story in Dead Poets Society shows the powerful connection between Romanticism and psychological development. His passion reflects romantic ideals, while his struggle represents Erikson's identity crisis. This shows that without freedom to express oneself, a person may lose their sense of identity. Neil's story reminds us of the importance of understanding ourselves and following our true passions.